Random Facts, Bees Edition. Join us on an exhilarating journey into the intricate world of these remarkable insects as we uncover their extraordinary biology, behaviors, and vital role in our ecosystem. Bees are flying insects closely related to wasps and ants, known for their role in pollination and honey production. There are over 20,000 known species of bees, with the most common being the honeybee. Bees live in colonies organized by caste, including a queen, worker bees, and drones. The queen bee is the only fertile female in the colony and is responsible for laying eggs. Worker bees are female bees responsible for tasks such as foraging, caring for the young, and building and maintaining the hive. Drones are male bees whose primary purpose is to mate with the queen. Bees communicate with each other through a complex system of dances and pheromones. Honeybees have 5 eyes, including 3 small ocelli on the top of their heads and 2 large compound eyes on the sides. Bees have specialized hairs on their bodies that collect pollen, which they use as food for themselves and their offspring. Honeybees are capable of flying at speeds of up to 15 miles per hour. Bees are essential pollinators, responsible for pollinating over 75% of the world's flowering plants and about 35% of global food crops. Honeybees are the only insect that produces food consumed by humans, namely honey. Bees are known for their intricate hexagonal honeycomb structures, which they build from beeswax secreted by glands on their abdomens. Bees use a combination of the sun's position, landmarks, and magnetic fields to navigate between food sources and their hive. Bees are capable of learning and remembering complex routes to food sources, a behavior known as spatial memory. Some species of bees, such as the bumblebee, can regulate their body temperature to maintain optimal flight conditions. Bees play a crucial role in ecosystems by pollinating wildflowers, which in turn support other wildlife. Bees are facing threats from habitat loss, pesticide use, climate change, and diseases such as colony collapse disorder. Bees are sensitive to changes in their environment and can serve as indicators of environmental health. Bees have been revered by humans for thousands of years for their role in pollination, honey production, and cultural significance. Thank you for watching. Let us know what you would like to see next. Don't forget to hit the like button, share your favorite bee facts in the comments, and subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the natural world.